The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is where currencies are traded. It's the largest and most liquid financial market globally, open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. In 2024, Forex trading continues to offer lucrative opportunities for individuals to grow their wealth. The Forex market is driven by various factors, including economic indicators, political events, and global trade flows. Understanding these driving forces is crucial for traders to make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Forex trading can provide exciting prospects for financial growth. However, it is essential to approach Forex trading with caution and a solid understanding of the market. This essay will guide you through the fundamentals of Forex trading and provide actionable tips for starting your journey toward profitability. Let's dive in. Before you start trading Forex, you need to grasp a few key terms. Currencies are traded in pairs, like EUR, USD, Euro/US dollar. The first currency is the base, and the second is the quote. Leverage is a powerful tool in Forex trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. While leverage can amplify profits, it's essential to remember that it also magnifies losses. Pips represent the smallest price movements in a currency pair. Understanding pips is crucial for calculating profits and losses. Mastering these fundamental concepts will provide a solid foundation as you delve deeper into the world of Forex trading. Two primary methods can help you make informed trading decisions: technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts and historical data to identify patterns and trends, which can indicate future price movements. On the other hand, fundamental analysis focuses on economic indicators, political events, and news that can impact currency values. Traders use fundamental analysis to assess the overall strength and weakness of economies, influencing their trading decisions. By combining both technical and fundamental analysis, traders can develop a comprehensive view of the market and make more informed trading decisions. Remember that no trading strategy guarantees success, and continuous learning and adaptation are essential in the ever-changing Forex market. Section 4. Getting started. Choosing the right broker and practice. Choosing a reputable Forex broker is crucial for your trading success. Look for brokers regulated by reputable financial authorities and offer competitive spreads and fees. A user-friendly trading platform with advanced charting tools and real-time market data is essential for effective trading. Before risking real money, open a demo account offered by most brokers. A demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual funds, familiarizing yourself with the platform and testing different strategies. Treat your demo account as if it were real money and focus on developing consistent profitability before transitioning to live trading. Section 5. Risk management, protecting your investments. Risk management is paramount in Forex trading. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, as Forex trading involves inherent risks. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on your trades automatically. A stop-loss order is an instruction to close your trade at a predetermined price level, preventing further losses. Similarly, consider using take-profit orders to lock in profits when your trading goals are met. Take-profit orders automatically close your trade when the price reaches a specified level, securing your profits. By implementing robust risk management techniques, you can protect your capital and ensure the longevity of your trading journey. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey to Forex mastery. Forex trading presents a world of opportunities for financial growth in 2024 and beyond. By understanding the basics, mastering key strategies, and implementing sound risk management techniques, you can navigate this exciting market effectively. Continuous learning is essential in the dynamic world of Forex. Seek out educational resources, attend webinars, and follow reputable Forex analysts to enhance your knowledge and skills. Remember, Forex trading is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Embrace the challenges and rewards that Forex trading offers, and embark on your path to Forex mastery today.